Hey everyone, today we'll be doing another Leetcode 20 valid parenthesis. This is also a very light problem, and this is a stack problem in which we will be inserting all of our. Oh, I forgot to introduce the exercise. We'll be given a number of strings and not a number of strings but a parenthesis pattern, and we have to return whether it is a valid pattern or it is a false pattern like this. So to do this, we will be using the concept of stack. Whenever we find a match, we will just pop it from the stack, and if the stack is empty, we will just put our brackets or parentheses in it. And if the stack at the end becomes null, then we will return 2 because there is no pair left, and if there is a pair left, then we will return uh, false. So let's write the code. Stack is equal to, this is a list, and we'll be making a map, and we will be mapping all the elements from cross to close to open, and this will be holding this, and so holding this like this, and close to open, I forgot, like this, and this should work fine. We have made a map, and now we will check for C in as if C in map. If C is present in the map, then we will make another statement that if stack is not null, and stack reference, we'll be taking a stack reference. Oh my god, stack reference we'll be taking and comparing it to the map C, and if we find a match, then we will just pop like I said, and in else case we will just return false. And in the else case here, what we will be doing is just appending the stack with C, append C, and if the stack becomes empty, if not stack, we'll be returning uh, true, because we want true when the stack is empty, and else we will return false. Okay, so what will be happening here is, suppose we enter this, because obviously it will be starting from the brackets that has its open and on the right side, and whenever we be finding a match like this, let me write some, and this, yes, now we'll be appending because these three will not be present in the map. But if you encounter a case in which these are present, these are present in map, then we will just find the stack reference. Reference means the top of the stack. This is like a peak function, and whenever we find a match, we will not append this bracket in the stack, but we will just pop the reference, and when we find the reference of this bracket, we will pop this, and when we find the reference of this bracket, we will pop this, and result will be our empty stack. There is nothing left in our stack now. So if there is a pattern like this, um, there is nothing to pop. We will enter this, and nothing will be popped because there is no matching pattern here like this. So we will be left with our empty stack if the and if the if the pattern is valid, and if not, we will just return false. Now let's see if it works or not. This is true, and Now let's submit it. Yeah, that's it.